Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to delete copies messages in WhatsApp. So to do this, just open your WhatsApp application first and then open a conversation. Okay, from your recent conversation. So for example, this one. So for example here, you'll have to press and hold your recently sent message, and then right after that click on the three dots at the top right corner and then click on copy. So once you have copied your message, just click on message and then tap on this icon here, then click on the clipboard icon. So as you can see, this is the message that you just copied. Now you just have to press and hold that one until these options will appear. So just click on delete. So right after that, your copied message will be removed. So that's it. That's how you can do it. So don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.